Hello everybody, welcome to my outdoor kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest, stickiest lamb ribbies, and with that my favorite, char-grilled sweet corn on the braai, and then I'm going to melt a little bit of butter, chipotle to give it like that spiciness, coriander, lime, and then finish them off with Parmesan cheese. So these are two of my favorite marinades. This one is the smoky barbecue, which is fantastic because it just adds an extra kick of smoke to your food, and then of course the sweet and sticky, which is also a family favorite and fantastic on chicken wings. So I think I'm going to do this one today, which is the smoky braai one. So now I've got my nice stand rib, but as I say, you can use any braai grid, and then you want to pop them onto this, always the fatty side down, and make sure it's all fat side down and bone up. Okay, so now the trick, I think I can do this on my own. This braai girl, oh Terry, but there's about 10 kilos of ribs on here. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I'm gonna do it. Oh no.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Show everybody how to do a proper stand rib. Okay, when you get a stand rib, it comes with instructions. Must just read them. Thank you, braai master. Those lamb ribbies are starting to sizzle and go all golden and sticky. But what I like to do is that leftover marinade that I had earlier on is just keep it warm and bubbling on the fire. And then we always need a magic wand. What I've done is I've made like a little basting brush of rosemary, any hardy herb, and just tied it to a kebab stick, and it just imparts beautiful like herby botanical flavors onto your lamb. Now my favorite way to kind of serve mealies is to have this like sticky spicy butter that I kind of toss the mealies in, and they're all like drippy and yummy. So these are fantastic. They're new at Woolies. Chipotles, which are marinated in adobo sauce, which is absolutely amazing to go with braai, but with sweet corn they are like a marriage made in heaven. So I'm going to add some red chillies or green chillies if you fancy, or just those dried smoked flake chillies are also fine. Okay, what else do I need? Butter, always some butter, and some coriander, lime or lemon, whatever you fancy. And then this, you're just going to bung in, find some hot coals there so it kind of all bubbles up. Yum, yum, bubble gum. Sure, so delicious. Okay, so these corn are looking amazing, and now for the exciting stuff, just toss them in there, give them a little bit of a coating. There we go. Now I'm going to take it out. They look unbelievable. Just a little bit of salt. I always add the salt at the end just for a little bit of texture. Okay, now I've kept the best bit for the last bit, and that's a little bit, not really a little bit, but as much as you want, of grated Parmesan or pecorino, or even just really nice hard cheese. And that will finish the best braai sweet corn you will ever have. Okay, so now let's see what our lamb ribbies look like. I mean, as you can see, they're just so beautiful, just as we love them. Oh gosh, I might have to call Terry again. No, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Look at those babies. Okay, now let's open this contraption and look at those. So these are perfectly cooked. As I say, they're rendered out, they're sticky, they're soft inside. Now you just got to pile them up and hand them around. And there we go. The best ever sticky, crispy, melt in the mouth lamb ribbies.